Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this video tutorials how to use Hey Siri on any iPhone device. So see guys now how it's active. See guys here, if you would like to be a beneficiary of this feature, if you have an iPhone device, then of course you must be beneficiary because this is a good one. By your giving voice command, you can control your iPhone device. How it will be? Let's be practical now. Hey Sri, can you say what's the situation of weather right now? So now see guys here. One thing more I would like to suppose I would like to call to anyone. Now my phone is in off mode and I would like to give a command here. Hey Sri, can you call to a Deepak? Hey Sri, can you call to a Deepak? Yeah, Deepak. Now see guys, it's calling. So suppose any information that you would like to collect, of course you would like to collect. So how you will without touching your iPhone device? Suppose it's in off mode and I would like to play some music on this device. So simply I will command by my vocal sound and music will be played. How it will be? Let's see with practical here. Hey Sri, can you play us some music right now? So now see guys here, it's playing music spontaneously. Let's see. One thing more I would like to have by a browser. Hey Sri, can you tell me what is the situation of Dow Jones right now? So now see guys here. So all the information you can collect by using. And at the moment, see guys here, at the moment I'm using reflector, that's why. Otherwise it will give you this information by a vocal also, by a speaker also. So how you will enable it? Let's learn with practical now. First of all guys, we will come in a setting and we will request Siri and search feature. So this is a Siri and search feature. Now all thing I have enabled it. Listen for Hey Siri, press for home button and allow when the iPhone device is locked. So if my device is off mode or especially locked, screen locked, and display screen is off, however it will work, it will be a functional. So here we have a choice also, language and Siri voice. If you would like to choose any accent, American's accent or of course British accent, so totally you can going especially in a language options, of course you can select here in any language, of course, not either. If you would like to use a Mandarin language, yeah, of course, any other Chinese language, yeah, or any other Hindi, yeah, any country, local language, you can select from this language options. And now, see, while enabling, how you will and what you have to do, see, simply you have to by a starting point. We will come once again in a Hey Siri search bar and I will enable it. So I will click on here to enable it now. Now see guys here, for setting up you need to give your vocal sound for command recognition. So continue. I will speak here. Hey Siri. It's not taken guys. Once again I will have to give. Hey Siri. Wait. Hey Siri. In a good way, you need to, guys. So once again, let me enable it and I will give a command. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. It's not again, once again more. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Fine. Now I have done, guys. I will click on done options. Now we can go in a language selections here. So see guys, this one is your language selection. This is your Indian voice. Yeah, any where's the voice that you would like to. Now see guys, I will enable this one when my phone device is locked, and suddenly I would like to give a command to switch on the flashlight. So of course it will light up this. So I need to enter the password here so that now it's enabled. So of course I can go for by saying when my device is locked, hey Siri, can you switch on the flashlight? Now see guys here, one thing more I would like to show you guys here. Let's see. Hey Siri, can you open the camera? You need to, of course, because might be it's a security concerns. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Furthermore, any inquiry related to this video tutorials, then of course blindly you can add to a query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query. So guys, this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Have a great